There. Tracking looks great. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I have a 10-foot 6-inch, actually 10-foot 9-inch red oak on the Frontier OS27 today. It's a warm one today. It's in the evening. Usually I don't mill this time of day. It's 6:30 at night. It's like 89 degrees in West Michigan, and it's muggy. But I need to get this done for a customer. He's coming by to pick some oak up, so I need to get this done. 1-inch boards. I'm just going to plane saw it. I have the centers lined up. Let's see, this side is 14 inches. So what size can we get? If we multiply 14 by 0.7, we're going to get a 10-inch cant. So I'll be able to do a little better than that because I'll leave a little waning on it as well. And that will probably give me 11-inch cant, and that will give him 11-inch boards, and we'll get 11 of them because probably 10 of them because he's going to get 1-inch boards. So let's get this going. Enough talking, more working. That will keep it from running all the way to the end. Upside down, boy, you turn me inside out. Round and round, upside down, you turn me. We'll leave this pretty slow. think I'm gonna change this up. We'll go this route. We had 9 1x8s, 2 1x11s, and this oddball here that came off the bottom. My bed's off a little bit. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work to the bed before I cut another log on it. But the customer will be happy. We got some really good lumber out of this. He should be happy. He'll be over in the morning to pick these up. Guys, that will do it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Hey, go check my Instagram out, bigelowwoodcraft on Instagram. You'll find me. I show you a lot of my projects I do with the wood. Now this, like I said, this one's for a customer, but a lot of different things I've done. It's called Bigelow Woodcraft. I've built some canoes, kayaks, paddle boards, you name it, I've built it when it comes to that kind of stuff. So